Hey, it's Vas here from Aussie RC Playground, and today we're going to be speed testing the Senton 4x4 BLX. Now the truck is dead stock, so we're going to be testing it out on 2S and 3S and just see what speed we get. I am a little bit worried though, because this rear tire actually ripped off after I did the first run. This happened off camera. It caught the body and it actually got cut, so you can actually see where I've glued this piece back in. And I don't know how this is going to hold up. Hopefully it'll survive, it'll be okay. I'm keeping it on the rear, which hopefully, you know, won't expand too much, but we'll see. We'll run it, as I said, on 2S, and then we'll do 3S and see what speed we get. Okay, here we go. First run on 2S. That's probably far enough. All right, here we go, Noah. How much, sorry? 56. All right, beautiful, thank you. Let's go one more time. I'm running a 5000 milliamp 50C Gens Ace pack in there. Here we go, Noah. I'll have links in the video description. How much? 57. All right, that's pretty good, that's pretty good. I'm happy with that speed. Alright, third and final pass, and then of course we'll check the GPS, which I've got underneath the body. Oh, we got a car. Got a couple of cars actually. Alright, clear behind?
Yeah.
Okay. Cars are all gone. Let's go. .56, so 57 was best. There it is there. All right, let's see what the GPS says. I can actually reach in and grab it because I've got it right there. You can see it. So I'll grab that guy out of there. What do we got? 57 kilometers an hour top speed. If my camera would focus, that would be great. There we are. So there we go, 57 kilometers an hour on 2S. Stock out of the box, and that's after it's been belted pretty hard at the BMX track. Alrighty, so let's go and put a 3S in there and see what happens. Alrighty, 3S battery in. Oh, now it was pulling a little bit too much to one side before. Now it seems to be pulling a bit too much to the other side. Alright, that's probably far enough. Alright, now clear behind.
Yeah.
Here we go. So in order to get 50 mile an hour, we need 80 Ks. Whoa, it's a little squirrely way. How much? 67. All right, let's go again. That was a really bad run. Let's see if we can get a clean pass here. Now, you know this thing is fast. It can do wheelies. So let's see if we can hold it straight. Clear behind?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Squeezing, squeezing, squeezing. How much? 77. So that's pushing it. That's getting very close. And that rear tire is holding on. Hang on, I can't quite see that. That's better, thank you. All right. So we're doing good, we're doing good. We're very close. We do have a little bit of headwind. So I may even do one pass going with the wind, just to see if we can get that elusive 80 Ks an hour. Clear behind?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Full speed. 78. Oh, it is so close. I hope that the GPS can register that. Perfect, 78 kilometers an hour. We are so close. Can we do it? Will the GPS show 80 K an hour if I do one pass going with the wind, I wonder? Alright, going out a little bit further than normal. Clear behind, here we go. Third and final pass. Full speed. Wait, wait, oh, wait. Sorry.
I got 76.
76, alright, we'll do one more. This thing is so much grunt. Oh. Alright, let's try and beat that car. Here we go, Noah. Oh no! What is happening? I can't keep it in a straight line. Wait for the car to pass and we'll go again. Alright, clear behind?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. This one's gonna count. This one's gonna count. Squeezing, squeezing, squeezing. This thing is an animal. 80, we got it! How did we get 80? That's awesome. I hope the GPS says the same. Oh man, can we do wheelies? Nah, it's not enough. Doesn't grip enough. It only does it on the grass when those tires grip up hard. Whoops. All right, let's see what our GPS says as I reach my reach under here and grab it. God. Oh yes, we got 81. So that is come on, camera. There we go. 81 kilometers an hour. So 50 miles an hour. This one's definitely capable of that. And what a beast it is. That is pretty insane. I cannot wait until these trucks arrive here in Australia. It's a shame we haven't got them yet as of time of filming, but hopefully when they land there'll be a lot of happy customers out there with these things, because yeah, they're absolutely awesome. So that is it from me. Thank you all very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out the video description down below for more links to the truck and its previous videos, as well as links to my social media pages. I thank you all very much for watching, and I'll catch you all next time.